Looking for a browser designed specifically with gamers and power users in mind? In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Opera GX on your Windows computer. Let's get started. First, open your current web browser. Go to Google and search for Opera GX. Open the official Opera GX website. Once you're on the home page, click the Download Opera GX button. The website should automatically detect your operating system and provide the correct installer. Wait for the installer file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, locate the installer and launch it. The Opera GX installer will now open. Before clicking Install, you may notice an Options button. If you click it, you'll be able to customize certain installation settings, such as the installation location, whether Opera GX should become your default browser, and whether shortcuts should be created. Most users can simply leave the default settings as they are. Click Install to begin the installation process. Opera GX will now download the required files and install itself automatically. If Windows displays a user account control prompt asking for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. This usually only takes a few moments depending on your internet connection and computer speed. Once installation is complete, Opera GX will launch automatically. Once the loading animation is finished, you'll arrive at the Opera GX homepage and can start browsing immediately. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.